everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mansi Unit. Today I am going to discuss the difference between the similar triangle conditions and congruent triangle conditions. First we will discuss the definition of both. What is the difference in the definition of similar triangles and congruent triangles? See in the congruency, two triangles are congruent to each other when they are same in shape as well as in size. When both are same in shape as well as in size. Suppose this side is of 6 centimeters, this is of 5 centimeters, so this is of 7 centimeters, this will also be of 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Okay, they are similar in shape and size. And when we will talk about the similar triangles, in similar triangle only the shape matters. If only the shape of two triangles are same, then we will say that these two triangles are similar to each other. These are similar triangles. Okay. So the main difference here, shape as well as size. Shape and size both are same, and here only the shape matters. Only the shape matters. Okay. So there are many, there are some conditions related to the conditions of congruency and similarity. So see the difference between those conditions. In the very first condition, SAS condition. How we will use this SAS condition under congruency? Suppose A, B, C and D, E, F are two triangles. I need to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, and how we will use this condition over there? Suppose angle A is equal to angle D and AB is equal to DE and AC is equal to DF. Then we will say that by side angle side congruency condition, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Here we have equated the corresponding sides. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to DF. One angle and line including that angle. One angle and lines including that angle are equal. One angle of one triangle is equal to the corresponding angle of the other triangle, and corresponding sides are equal. Then you say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Here we equate the lines. In congruency, we equate the lines, corresponding lines. Whereas in similarity, we will write the corresponding lines in proportion. Instead of directly equating the sides, if two triangles are similar to each other, we will write the corresponding sides in proportion. See by one example. Suppose there is a triangle A, B, C is D, E, F. How is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D, and the sides including that equated angle are in proportion. Means these two lines AB and AC, these two lines are making this angle, angle A. DE and DF, these two lines are making angle D, which we have equated here. In case of similarity, we will see whether the corresponding sides are in proportion or not. If AB is equal to AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, then we will say that by SAS triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where we have equated the lines AB is equal to DE, where we have written AB upon DE, where we have written the corresponding lines in proportion. AC is equal to DF, AC upon DF. This is the difference. And about now the second condition, SSS, how to use under congruency and how to use that condition under similarity. The AA condition, SS condition in both cases, SSS condition. Okay. There in case of congruency A, B, C, D, E, F. How we will use this SSS condition under congruency? If the corresponding sides are equal, corresponding sides of both triangles are equal, then by SSS congruency condition we will say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF, we will write AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF. By SSS congruence condition, we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now, how to use this condition under similarity? If two triangles will be similar to each other if their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. That means AB upon AB's corresponding side is DE. Okay, is equal to AC, AB's corresponding side is DF, is equal to BC upon EF. Here we have written the corresponding sides in proportion. Here we have equated the corresponding sides. In congruency we have equated the corresponding sides. In similarity we have written the corresponding sides in proportion. Here we will write that ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.